Imagine waking up a year from now, looking at your bank account and seeing an extra $10,000. Sounds incredible, right? Today, we're diving in how to save $10,000 in a year. Realistic tips for beginners. Whether you are a student just starting your career or anyone looking to boost their savings, I've got practical, achievable strategies for you. Let's get started. Don't skip this. If you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel, and if you watch me on Facebook, follow my Facebook page. So last one is very important. Set a clear goal. First thing first, setting a clear goal. The idea of saving $10,000 can feel overwhelming if you don't break it down. That amount to about $800 each month or roughly $192 each week. Write this down. Create a version board or set reminders on your phone. Visualizing your goal is powerful. Think about what $10,000 could do for you. A dream vacation, a new car, or perhaps just a safety net for engineering. Emergency. The mental exercise will boost your motivation. Step 2. Track your expenses. Next up, tracking your expenses. Many of us are blissfully unaware of where our money goes each month. To change that, I recommend using apps like Mint or YNAB. Means you need a budget. Spend 1 hour each week reviewing your transaction. Categorize your spending into needs, want, or savings. You might be shocked to see how much you spend on dining, hour, or subscription you barely use. This awareness is your first step toward making informed change. Create a budget. Once you've tracked your spending, it's time to create a budget. This provides a roadmap for your finances. Allocate your money 50% for needs like rent, groceries, 30% for wants like entertainment and shopping, and 20% for savings. This method, known as the 50-30-20 rule, is an easy way to ensure you're not defining yourself while still working towards your goal. Remember, budgeting doesn't limit you, it empowers you to spend wisely. Number 4, automate your savings. Now let's talk about automation. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings amount each payday. You can start small, perhaps $100 a paycheck, and gradually increase it isn't adjust your budget. This out of mind approach means you won't be tempted to spend that money. Before you know it, you will have a nice little nest egg growing in your savings account. Number 5, cut unnecessary expenses. Let's get to the heart of savings. Cutting unnecessary expenses. Take a hard look at your monthly bills. Do you really need every steaming service? Whatever the daily coffee run, swapping just one a little a week for a homemade coffee and save you over $25 a month. That's an extra $300 a year. That by multiple changes. Cancel unused gym memberships. Cook more at home instead of dining out, or set a limit on entertainment. Each small change adds up. Number 6, find additional income streams. Consider diversification your income. This could be a part-time job, gig economy work, or freelancing in your area of exercise. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even selling handmade crafts on Etsy can provide extra dollar that goes straight into saving. Even clearing out your closet and selling clothes you no longer wear on Poshmark can boost your savings. Every bit counts. Number 7, stay motivated and accountable. Staying motivated and accountable is crucial. Find a savings buddy or share your goals on social media. Celebrate your milestones, whether it's reaching 10,000 saved or 1,000 saved or hitting the halfway mark. Treat yourself or something small, perhaps a movie night or a special meal. But be mindful not to be paralyzed accessible. This keeps the journey enjoyable and reinforces your commitment to saving. Number 8, revisit and adjust your strategies. As you progress, make it a habit to revisit your budget and savings goal every few months. Like life happens and your financial situation may change. Maybe you receive a rise or perhaps an unexpected expense pops up. Adjusting your plan helps you stay on a track and adapt to changes without losing sight of your $10,000 goal. So I hope these tips inspire you to take action and embark on your savings journey. Remember, the key is consistency and commitment. You can do this. If you enjoyed this video, give it thumbs up and share your own savings tips in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful financial advice and strategies. Together, we can make that $10,000 dream a reality. Until next time, happy saving!